Hello guys, now with the lead one la film this and told you by the time you guys see this so yes happy hope you guys hope everyone is joining the book week so but yes but last time though but yes but you can tell it is gonna be the windy and cooler with the day here but yeah so yeah. Yep. So as you can tell, um, I'm pretty much exploring yesterday's vlog was gonna be yeah. So man, so happy holiday guys. I'm hoping everyone is enjoying the work week. But yes, but last time even though I have the day off, which gonna be yes. But anyway, so yeah, just so to prep for tea is that we have no plan as we yet I'm hoping to get walking or I say Leonti but I'll see how I am as the day goes on but yes but for now just going to relax at home for another little while now yeah and also this is my 800 vlog that I'm doing now. So yes, so I've been vlogging now for almost 10 years since May 2015. So yeah, and now after just about 10 years of vlogging, I'm now finally up to 800 vlogs. So it's just so hard to believe though. Oh yeah, so man, yeah, I'll see me up to 1,000 vlogs in the next I say year or two or however long it'll be though. But man, so yeah, so man, so then I'll pretty much stop talking now pretty much in the rest of my day now. Yeah, pretty much talk to you guys once I decide to hang on the walk later. Alright guys, so we're over to the kids' driveway once again, yeah. As you can tell, we got the a nice bit of snow over here, but obviously we're my standing though, but it is pretty snow covered here still, but man, so yeah. So yeah, so overall it's been a good day so far. But yeah, so it's already now just at the 3 now, yeah, and yeah, and yeah, I got yesterday's vlog pretty much uploaded after yeah. Then at the early this afternoon, I've actually decided to go to the Avalon Mall. So yeah, that's the second time doing the past few days. It's just I was over on the Saturday evening, but yeah, so oh yeah, but I'm trying to go there, so yeah, but still got a decent kind of people over there, but not so much as don't weeks over. Yes, but the reason why I wanted to go to the tea it was because yeah. Because I just oh just so I would not have to go to the indoor weekend and yeah because yeah and but yes and I usually let's go to the mall once a week once in a while or whatever but yeah so and I'll probably go there again next week as well when I'm I forget so yeah so oh yeah bye so so yeah man so yeah really as for the walk I'll be just go leave here now I'll be heading over to oh what is it service off of 44 I'll be heading on over to Peter Bit up for looks I'll be heading on back over there, so I'll be able to talk to you guys again about over to the Peter Bit up. Alright guys, so just meet over to the Peter enough now, yeah, you take a little over here, but yeah, we got a clear parking lot here, but it's gonna be, yeah. So, man, but yeah, and you got the a part of the walking clear over here too. So, yeah, we got lots of skidoo tracks over here, which in, but yeah, so well, yeah, but yeah, so yeah, I think over here there's sled tracks, but yeah, so yeah, so just feel like some to the west of you was gonna be pretty much walk around the west in the best I can be in on my way back over there, but yeah, so yeah, so it's just walking alongside the playground and the summer field was gonna be, yeah. So yeah, this is the soccer field over there, and over there you got the skate park and basketball court and ball hockey court. Oh yeah. So it's walking through the snow best I can was again. So yeah. Yes, so overall I really enjoyed the walk. So yeah. So yeah, so I always on to the television off of. So I thought just recently I was talking to a couple of old buddies who I've known since the kindergarten or so. They back about 20 years ago now. So yeah, because it's been 20 years already since I started kindergarten. So so good times. Oh my. Yeah, I know that, but yeah, I talked to a buddy of mine who graduated with my buddy into the model list. So, oh my. Oh, I'm walking too deep so now. Oh my, so I think I should reach out to Peter enough. I just avoid walking the loop. I just head on back for this. It's pretty deep snow over here though. I don't like walking through deep snow, so yeah. So I just pretty cheap. And I'll pretty much not to do loop till pretty much when the snow melts. So yeah. So oh well. This one is I'll be to listen now. So oh man. Alright guys, so this video to listen of three promo from touch bubble. Now what's gonna get? You can tell we got I still some storage on the pop out here, but yeah. So man, I also got storage on touch pond now. Oh yeah, got some skidoo tracks over here too. Oh yeah, but no people skiing on though, but yeah. So man, but I did see some boys pretty much doing some ice fish over up on Tree Pond, sorry, on Tree Pond. Always going down to over to the subdivision off of 5 Road. So hope twice catch some fish in the pond too, or yes, or there's some release this from the farm that uses Johnny Thursday. So yeah. So yeah, but I'm pretty much home now. Yeah, I'll be home for the rest of the night now. I think so. Yeah. So wait on. So yeah, dude, it's on the mark. Not this. Oh yeah. Yep. So yeah. So I'll pretty much talk you guys at the very end of the vlog. I won't be doing too much for the rest of the day and night. Yeah, I'm going to bed early too since I was gonna have working in the morning. So why on? Alright guys, so we start wasting, yeah, and as you can tell, number keys in the United States, I pretty much got back home earlier to see those. So yeah, so wait on, but anyway, so I'm just getting my myself ready for bringing up people to turn off the TV and lamp over here. But yeah, yep. As you tell, I'm allowed pretty much all done now too. Got it done early, so wait on. So I just really hope you guys enjoyed the vlog though. I sorry enjoyed this video well. Of course, it's back to work 3:12, which I'm definitely look forward to. But yeah, I'm working 12:05 and it'll be the weekend again. So yeah, and I'll finally begin another snowstorm. But yeah, so but yeah, so of course when that happens, then the DC will be just doing the delivery tell to Liam no or afternoon, but yeah, that's it. The storm ends and was cleared by that part more or the afternoon. But yes, but because we will be leaving or doing the production or well, although I think we will do production toward weekend, but they're not leaving though, but we release because we usually guys leave toward weekends only summer and yeah, so man, but I have been doing the toward weekends working toward weekends very often though, so yeah, so oh yeah, but that's all. So anyways, so I better out bed now and yeah, and I hope everyone enjoys the rest of the book. So I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. So over and out.